Sawtooth, Smoky, White Cloud, Boulder, Soldier, and Pioneer Mountains, including the mountains near Banner Summit, Stanley, Smiley Creek, Galena Summit, Kitchen, Haley, and Fairfield. Fairfield is 40 minutes after Tuesday, 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Impacts: a multi-day storm bringing heavy snowfall and strong wind is overloading Boise south. Very dangerous avalanche conditions exist. Widespread avalanching will occur. Avalanches may impact roadways, trails and structures in the valley bottom. Precaution preparedness expect natural avalanches in many areas. Some will be large enough to sap trees or destroy a wood frame house. Flights may run long distances into flat areas and mature forts. Avoid all avalanche terrain. Stay off of the mountain below steep slopes. Slope to secret at about 30 degrees.
For example, now getting its first union shop.
Boise just reissued their avalanche warning. Oh my god.
Sawtooth, Smoky, White Cloud, Boulder, Soldier, and Pioneer Mountains, including the mountains near Banner Summit, Stanley, Smiley Creek, Galena Summit, Kitchen, Haley, and Fairfield. The time limit for the warnings no longer in effect. Impacts: very dangerous avalanche conditions continue to exist, especially at higher elevations. Precaution preparedness actions: expect large natural avalanches in exposed terrain over about 9,000 feet in elevation. Some will be large enough to sap trees or destroy a wood greenhouse land and may run long distances into flat areas